within each of us is a light.
And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
Good morning. We ended up staying up kind of later last night. We didn't want to get out of bed. Everyone's still a little bit tired. We have a Starbucks right in the resort and we did not have time to get Starbucks. Brandy was really counting on Starbucks.
We made it through. It's already really busy here.
Brandy's birthday lands on Thanksgiving here, so it's like the third busiest time.
So now we're trying to make it to Avatar with the rest of everybody else. So we just got to the Avatar River. The park opened 20 minutes ago. It's already a 50-minute wait.
How is that even possible?
People like jump over the wall and get here before the park opened? I think so.
Yeah, and I get FastPass for everything because I really don't like to wait.
Check this out.
We couldn't get a FastPass because Disney World actually gives them out for free, and we booked last minute on the American Thanksgiving. We quickly learned that patience was a virtue.
And now we wait.
Now we wait.
Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
So now we're gonna go get coffee and go to the safari.
So we found Starbucks.
Yay!
The wait was almost longer than the Avatar ride, but we're here.
Not quite, but yeah. Excited about our drink. I hope they make it right.
Yeah, me too.
If you hear the animals, no. We're waiting in line for the safari with our cute little Disney Starbucks cups. Look at how cute that is.
You're hilarious.
Yeah, I'm excited.
It said a 35-minute wait, but I don't think it's gonna be 35 minutes.
Well, Jumbo, everybody, my name is
lettuce anywhere here. Romaine is on recall. So instead of side salads with a pizza meal, we got cookies.
But we thought we could bring this with us.
We're gonna have a quick bite, and then I guess we're gonna try the Avatar flight simulator.
Has anyone else been to Animal Kingdom or any other Disney theme park? Let us know in the comments.
It's been 50 minutes.
Has it?
All these lines are really deceiving.
We're in the mountain now. It's kind of cool in here, so it's fun to like look around. I feel like it helps the line not be like as annoying waiting when you get to check out the cool stuff around it anyway.
There's no fans in here either.
Thankfully, there was
They have the
fans
fans
in there.
on. It's been almost 2 hours now. now. This line's like, you think it's over, and then it keeps going. I'm tired and I have to use the washroom. And we're about to go into another room. This is where we thought the ride was, but it turns out it's just more line.
Maybe they were accurate about their 3 hours and 15-minute wait time. Yeah.
I think we're next.
Next after like 100 people.
So it took, it's like about 2.5 hours.
The ride was so cool though, I loved it. It was really quick but totally worth it. I would totally do it all over again.
Like it legit felt like you were flying.
I like when it sprints you with water because it makes it even more realistic when you go through the
And they had scents too.
Yeah, and the smell.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the washroom and
Book reservations to eat so we hopefully get into a good restaurant here.
that's the plan. We just seen a bunch of Timon's relatives.
Hey, wake up. It's okay. Whoa, it's okay. It's me.
Don't ever do that again.
Konnichiwa.
What?
We're in Asia.
No.
You don't remember being in Japan?
I do remember it.
Arigato. Arigato
Yeah, I remember that
gozaimasu.
one.
She has no idea what I'm talking
A
about.
couple years ago.
Whatever. I'm about to go back, I guess.
Yeah.
We're going to Toge. Toge's a drift track.
There's like a little Everest roller coaster I wanted to do, but Tyler doesn't want to do it.
I'm not a fan of roller coasters.
We're not doing it. The
Sorry.
closest we got was the simulator thing.
That's not true. I went on almost all the big coasters at Canada's.
Yeah, a couple years ago, so holding on to it.
And I will for the rest of my life.
I somehow managed to get us into Tiffins Restaurant, even though it was fully booked.
Happy birthday, Miss.
Aw, thank you.
Yeah, you're very, very welcome.
Happy birthday, Randy!
Happy birthday!
That's really the brand new bottle of this beautiful Cabernet for you. Make sure it's a new bottle to make sure it's as good as your other.
We are now in the gift shop looking for a sweater because Brittany is somehow cold in Florida.
I'm so cold, I'm freezing. We're going to a festival of lights, so I'm gonna look for a sweater and hopefully find something to stay warm during it.
You know we're from Canada.
Yeah, it doesn't matter
We're in
though.
Florida.
Florida is cold at night.
Is that
So
your
cute.
safari hat, Brandy?
Yeah.
I guess we're gonna look for a sweatshirt. Let's do this.
I actually like this sweater because it's kind of simple. Extra large is the small size.
It doesn't work. Next. Hey babe, what about some mitts? Put your hands up against them just so they understand. Can we please go to the festival now?
Can I have yours for the festival?
No. No, you cannot. I want to go see the festival lights. Let's go do that. We just picked up some popcorn.
Popcorn. After we literally just finished eating. So now we got some yummy popcorn for our show.
When the forces of nature meet in harmony, the spirits of the animals are freed.
So River Lights.
It was pretty cool.
It was pretty cool. I really liked how they used like water as like a projector screen.
It was a fun show to watch.
What do you think?
I loved it. Really magical.
Right up Brandy's aisle. Now we're in this crazy crowd trying to get out of this park. You gave your camera to the right person. We'll take like 100 photos. Heading back to the car. They're on the shuttle. Are you tired?
No, I just want to wash my face.
Yeah.
You're not tired? What's wrong with you?
Not yet.
I'm tired actually, and I'm never tired, but I didn't really sleep yesterday or anything.
First left. Please remain fully seated.
So what was your hi, Brandy?
What was your favorite part of Disney World? Animal Kingdom.
I can't say honestly, I liked it all.
But if you had to pick one.
What would it be?
Okay, come back to me.
Okay, Ty?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna say the Avatar simulated flying thing was pretty sweet.
Wait,
That
me too.
That was
sorry.
probably my favorite.
Switching your answers, earlier.
She's just copying me.
No,
No, both of you switched your answers. What was your favorite ride so far? Well, the favorite thing we did out of the three?
The safari.
Yeah, I like the
Yeah,
safari.
then this one.
I think I like this one and the Navi River. It's
Yeah,
just-
there we go.
Well, my high right from the start was the simulator and then the Navi River. Then I like the safari. The dinosaur ride we did was cool. And then we had a really nice dinner at, I don't remember the restaurant name. Supposed to be one of the more like nicer restaurants, I guess.
Still
And
didn't get my birthday candle. I'm just saying.
she's had 3 birthday dinners. We tell them at every one it's her birthday. And they give her a really nice happy birthday dessert, but no candle. We're gonna have to do more birthday dinners, I guess.
Just kidding.
So I think Disney World was definitely a success.
We're gonna end the vlog here. Going back to the hotel, we're gonna relax, and we're not 100% sure what we're gonna do tomorrow, but I think it might involve a road trip.
And we're gonna watch a movie tonight.
Yeah.
And chillax.
Good night.
Night.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know